Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about top 10 best cryptocurrency of the world. 1. Bitcoin, BTC, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. Bitcoin continues to be a dominant force in the market. 2. Ethereum, ETH, known for its smart contract capabilities. Ethereum is a platform for decentralized applications, DApps. 3. Binance Coin, BNB, the native coin of the Binance exchange, used for various purposes on the platform. 4. Cardano, ADA, focused on creating a secure and scalable platform for DApps and smart contracts. 5. Solana, Sol, a high-performance blockchain platform known for its speed and scalability. 6. Ripple, XRP, designed for fast, low-cost cross-border transactions. 7. Polkadot, aims to enable different blockchains to interoperate. 8. Dogecoin, Doge, originally created as a meme, it gained popularity for its strong community. 9. Chainlink, Link, provides data and information to smart contracts on the blockchain. 10. Litecoin, LTC, often considered the silver to Bitcoin's gold, it offers fast transaction confirmation. Thank you for watching this video.